Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tiki Stack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more topic which is related to the interview question. So let me show the thing what is interview host. So basically when you see this I have the multiple mails are there, like few of the valid and few are the not valid. So from this we need to take this valid and we need to put like this. So initially what they are giving in the format of string itself. So which is separated by the colons. After that what we need to do, so we need to do extract only the valid things. You can use any kind of things. They will not extract anything. You can use for loop or you can use something else. So when you use this for loops, it will take long time. As of now, you can see able to see only 5 or 6 maximum. But when you go in real time, the same kind of things we get multiple things like 100, 200, 1000. So that time, if it is go with this. A looping part, it will take long time. So how we can do this one? So with the help of Power Automate, we'll try to do this. So let's go back to the Power Automate desktop. So I only three activities which I use. So with these three activities, we can get the output. So now I will just run this one. I will show the output and post. I will go for the solution. So right now, let it run, and this is my final output, which come in the perfect way. And this is related to with this normal of string. Whatever they are giving, they initially they give in the string, and final output should be in the string itself. Okay, now let's go back to this. First of all, what I'm doing, I given the one variable, so which you call mail ID list. So in this mail ID list, I will give this some good and some rich, which is not related to some other things. So when you see, I have the specific domain at the rate. So I need to pick the specific domain itself. So if I get is incorrect things or if it is not match with my domain, I don't want to get that. I don't want to send any mail for that domain as well. So I need to just skip it from this. That's it. So this is a variable what I declared here. After this, I use this press text. So if we use this press text, then only we can able to do this with the help of reject things. So here what I'm doing, I'm taking the rejects which you call things 0 to 9, A to B, small a to Z, and underscore dot hyphen will come. Now, so some of the organizations will go with the underscore, some of the organizations will go with the hyphens. So that's why I put this one. If you want, you can change this one. After this, what is my targeting? So at gmail.com and outlook.com. These are the two domains which I'm targeting right now. And you can see this is this regular expression. Yes, this is a regular expression. So that's why I put this enable the option. And here you can see the only first occurrence. So I don't want the only the first occurrence. So if you put the first occurrence, it will pick the only the first one. I want all the things. And next, what is the ignore case? So when you say I ignore case, kind of sensitive sensitive data like caps A or small b. So that those kind of things. I don't want that things. So that's why I enable this. And here you can see this my starting position. So where I want to process text. So I need to process text from the starting onwards. So that's why position given as 0. So this one you can change as per your things. So this is one of the things, and you can see this two variables. One is what is my matches case and what is the positions. How many positions are there? How many matches? So those are things which is written of things. And after this, I will so till hit what will happen I will show you. So if I run till here now, what is it's give the my position as 0 and 32. So this is the thing which I output, and I have the match cases. So these are the my match cases. So these match cases are again in the format of list. So again that list I need to convert into the normal string. Okay, if I converted the normal string, then only I can able to pass this mail IDs into the two. If you want, you can separate for the CCs, separate for the BCCs, and separate for the twos. You can do that as well. And finally, what I am doing, so I will just use this one more text to the parts. So this is a variable which I'm getting that from the matches. After this, what I want to find, I need to find the slash r and n. So which is nothing but is rejects. So it will find the new line item and it will get. So use the regular expression. This is a what regular expression. Yes, this is my regular expression. And what I want to replace with, I want to replace with this semicolon. Sorry, colon. If you want, you can do whatever it wants. So, but for the mail IDs, it will accept allow only the only the colons. Then only I can able to send that mail. If it is not given something now, it will won't taken properly. So that's why we need to go with the colon and enter my variable which is stored in the replaced. Now just click on the save. So which these three activities we can enter from whatever they given input like this. So we are converting to like this. So this is my input and this is my output which is required for the as per the requirement. Okay, so if I use a for loop, then I want to, what is happening? For example, right now I have the only a small bunch of things. If I have 1,000 or might be the, I mean, just assume that another case, not only the mail case, it might become another things as well in the future. So for example, if you take another example as well, for that it will good. So that's why we need to think in different manner, and so that's why I propose this solution. Now whatever, it will take the same thing from the input side and input my whatever I given the input string. Again, I'm converting into the string itself. So meanwhile, in middle, whatever I want, you can do that. So now again, I'm running this automation, run from here, and finally you can see this. So my mail ID list, which is given in this format, and I will give the matches, and this is my perfect requirement. And finally, I this one. So after this, if it is at the end, at the end, if you got colon, this is not a problem. So it won't. If you put in mail as well, it will ignore this. That is not a that much case sensitive. So this is a way how we can do that one. So and this is I found this one forum as well. I'm not sure which thing. Let me try to open that as well. No, this is the one. So from text from list into BC fields in a mail. So I told you na CC or BCC. So you can separate it for one line for CCC and one line for BCC. So we can use this one. So what is in? How do I make sure the content text field format that can work into CC or sorry to CC or BCC? The same pattern we can explore and we can do that one. So this is the one of the solution which we can go with this, and it can saves a lot of time while running the automation. So I think this well helps for you. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubts, post your comments in the comment section. I will try to help on it.